Okay students, yesterday you have learned about some of the sums from exercise 1A, that is concepts of set. See, the set theory is a new concept to you, but I hope you all are finding a lot of interest on this subject, because this is basically an interesting subject. To understand me, once you have the conception clear on this subject, no, you will enjoy to solve all this. So let us check some of the sums, remaining sum of this exercise. Today also I have not covered the entire exercise. I will take another class to complete it, because set theory is a new concept. I am going a little bit slow. So what you know, I have taken question number 5 till 4 I have finished. I hope you have done the homework, and then homework I have posted to you tally in your license. Okay, now question number 5 is said to you write in set builder form. It is given in roster form. Can you see? I have taken question number under 5, second and the fourth sum, which is given in roster form. Roster form means, you know, only the element is given, putting comma without repeating the element and within the curly bracket or braces. Could you understand? So this question number 2 is given to you. Elements are 0, 5, 10, 15. See, seeing the nature of the element, you'll have to calculate how can you formulate that one. How can you write down a small statement based on this? See, you can find 5, 10, 15. That means multiple of 5. Okay, fine. 0 is little odd. Fine. If something become whole number starts from 0, and anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So it will be multiple of 5, but it will become the whole number. The variable will become whole number, and variable also will have limit, because all the multiples of 5 is not included. So what will be the form? How will you frame it in set builder method? X such that X, that is the format to write down set builder method. X such that X is equal to 5n. To write down anything as multiple, which multiple is there, that into an unknown variable. We take unknown variable as n because X is already taken. Usually we take X as an unknown variable. If not X, then n or a, something like that. You can put n, there is no problem, but n I have put. So 5n, multiple of 5 is 5 into the variable I said to you. X is equal to 5 into n, and n belongs to this, n belongs to whole number, because here if you put 0 and multiply this one, 5 into 0 is 0, first element, you understand. Then next whole number is 1, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 3 is 15. So n belongs to whole number, but what is the limit of n? N should be less than 4. This n should be less than 4 or less than equal to 3. You can't go 4, if you are placing 4 into 5 is 20, 20 is not. So less than 4 means 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, I hope you have understood. Try to do it, practice yourself. Seeing all this video time and again, try to practice. Now, fourth sum I have taken. See, here it is ellipses given. These all are integers, isn't it? That is why 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is given. No? You know the integer scale. Integer starts from, you know, both the side. It goes infinite to the negative side also, to the positive side also. It has gone to the negative side infinite, but what is positive side till 0. So it is an integer basically, but it has got a limit. So x says that x is less than 1, the value is less than 1, and x belongs to an integer, isn't it? You can very well write out. Otherwise, you can write down very nicely. If you don't find out this symbolical way, then you write down x as that x is an integer, but integer less than 1. You understand? So that will also. So this is symbolically. I hope you have understood. Moving on to question number 6. Find whether finite set, infinite set, and if it is infinite set or empty set, then cardinal number of it. So what will you do? I have taken question number 5. Question number 5 under it. That is set E is given to you. Set E is what you know within curly bracket. X says that X is less than 1 and X is a natural number. X belongs to a natural number. First, natural number. Natural number you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It starts from 1. So put the, but value is less than 1. Which natural number value can be less than 1? Is there any natural number at all whose value is less than 1? No natural number is there. Set, it can be a set. That is what is called the empty set or null set or void set. So set E will be empty set within curly bracket 0, or you can put a sign like this, phi, phi. But once you are putting phi, that should not be under curly bracket. If you are putting phi under curly bracket, that will become a singleton set. Could you understand? So phi should be allowed. Now see question number 5, question number 6. Sixth one I have taken, where the set is, is given to you as f is a set, x such that x is equal to 1 by n square plus 1. N is an integer. See, n is an integer. You know integer from minus value infinite and plus value infinite. Therefore, you take some of the integers, some negative, some positive. You take from minus to this side will be infinite, and up to 0 you take. This side also will be infinite because it is an integer. There is no limit given to you. Therefore, an integer, both the side infinite sign. Then what will be the set? And putting in this equation, after you find out that n value is an integer, putting in this equation, what will be its element? 1 divided by first value you take. This side you use a simple because this side it goes to infinite, so you can't calculate. You find out this 3 value and both the side you put infinite sign, and then see 2 if minus 2 if you put minus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So denominator will be 5 and numerator will be 1 by 5. You put minus 1 square is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 by 2. Next value, if you put 0, the n square 0, 0 square is 0. That plus 1 is 1, so 1 by 1 is 1. So this all, and this side also ellipses. Therefore, it goes to the infinite, both the direction. Definitely it will be infinite set and infinite set. You can't find out the cardinal number. Cardinal number will be, if you want at all to write down the cardinal number, you have to write down giving this sign, this infinite sign. Scissors like sign, this sign will be infinite set. But you need not to do it. Usually infinite set, you don't have to mention the cardinal number. Empty set, cardinal number will be 0, and finite set, you count the element, number of elements. So hence infinite set. Okay, now you understood it. Now moving on to question number 7, identify empty set or singleton set or pair set. Pair set means having two elements. Singleton having one element. Empty means no element. I have taken an example of third one. C is equal to x such that x square is equal to 25. See, x you need whose square value will be 25, and x is a natural number. Had it been x is an integer, it would have been minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5 is 25. Had it been minus 5 and 5 into 5 is 25. So two elements could have been the minus 5 and 5 could have been the pair set. But in this case, it is a natural number. So natural number whose square value is equal to 25. Square value has to be 25. X square is equal to 25. So whose square value? 5 square. So it has got only one square. You need to find out x, so that x square value is 25. So 5 will be the element. So in this case, only one element. So it is a singleton set. Hence, it is a singleton set. Answer. Now question number 4. Under this question number 7, I have taken D. The question is x such that 5x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x belongs to whole number. You put the whole number value as x and try to solve this particular equation 5x minus 4. None of the whole number value will satisfy this equation because first whole number is 0. 0 into 5 is 0 minus 4. Minus 4 is not equal to 0. Next whole number is 1. 5 into 1 is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. You cannot put any whole number value and find out the value which will become equal to. So that no whole number will satisfy 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Hence, it will be empty set. D is an empty set. Hence, it is an empty set. You understand me? Now moving on to question number 9. Question number 9 said to you, very easy sum it is. Let P be the set of 1 and minus 1 given to you. In roster form given to you. any operation, if you want to find out the cardinal number, if you want to say some set is whether a finite set, whether it's an infinite set, whether it's an empty set, you need to convert into roster form first. Mind it. So here roster form given, but Q, it is not given in roster form. See, x such that x square is equal to 4 and x belongs to z. X belongs to z means integer. Integer value you put, in place of x you put integer's value, which will become 4. Which integer's value, square value will become 4? Whose square? Because x square you need. Which integer square value will become 4? There are two integers whose square value will become 4, that is -2 and 2. So Q will be in roster form, will be what? No, P is given to you, Q will be -2 and 2. You understand? Now R is given to you in roster form. So Q need to call. What you need to do? You need to once again write down the in answer where it is given to you roster form. P is equal to this given to you, and cardinal number of P is 2, 1 and 2. Cardinal number of the sets when it is equal, they are called equivalent set, not equal set. Equal set will be cardinal number also will be same, and the elements also will be same. Same elements will be there. Order of the element may be different, but same elements will be there. So in this case 2 and -2. In this case it is given to 2 and -2. NQ, cardinal number of Q set will be 2. R is the set given to you. Cardinal number of it will be 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 it will be cardinal number. NR will be 3. How will you write down cardinal number? Is small n within simple bracket, the set name equal to sum, but no curly bracket here to write down cardinal number. Cardinal number is not a set. Set will be written in curly bracket, but no cardinal number other thing. So here, so see, this is a equivalent sign. This P set is equivalent to Q set, it indicates. Is P set equivalent to Q set? Then it will be true. If not, it will not be true, it will be false. So let us see now P set is having MP2, one is cardinal number 2, 2 elements are there. Q set is also having 2 elements. If cardinal number are same number of elements are there, they will be said as equivalent set, not equal set. So P, this is the equivalent sign, it is true. Very nice. Now see, second statement given to P is equal to Q. Is it P is equal to Q? P and Q, both the elements are same. Of course cardinal number are same, but cardinal number both 1 and 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 is the cardinal number for both the sets. But is the nature of element is also same? Had it been 2 minus 2, it could have been same, that will be equal set. No, because the set, if one element differs, that will not be equal set. Could understand? If two sets differ by only one element will not be. All the element has to be as like the comparable set, then only it can be. So these two are not equal. Now Q equivalent to R. Q equivalent to R. Q is having 2 elements and R is having 3 elements. Then definitely they are not equivalent also, because number of elements are not same, cardinal number are not same. P equivalent to R. P and R. P is having 2, Q is having 3, so not, it is false. Q equal to R. Q and R equal. No question arises, only one element same. So no question are false. P equal to R. P and R both are equal. No question arises. Had it been 2 or -2 was not there, it would have been equal to. So it is not. So again it is false. I hope you have understood. Go through slowly and try to understand set theory. Doubt if any, do not hesitate to talk to me. I will make you master in set.